Namaskar. Tukzer. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to talking about Tukzer, that how to set up Tukzer for first time. Yes, we're gonna let you know that if you have purchased Tukzer Wi-Fi hotspot dongle and you want to set up or use for first time and how you can use, and if you don't know anything about these type of devices, that video gonna help you out that how you can set up first time and use this and enjoy the internet. Then how we can do so? First of all, if you have purchased this type of Tukzer, you have to do one thing is over there that you will find like this. You have to open this device from over here and insert the SIM card over here. As you can check out, I have inserted the SIM card, and after that you have to find out the Wi-Fi password of this device over here. As you can check out over here, it's saying that Wi-Fi SSID, that means Wi-Fi name of Wi-Fi, and the key of the Wi-Fi is over here. And if you want to change admin or Wi-Fi password or Wi-Fi name or anything, then you have to just check out from over here that IP address. And first of all, you have to set up this device, as I'm gonna tell you that how you can set up the Tukzer dongle. After inserting the SIM card, just insert the battery inside of it and just switch it on, as you can check out like this. And after that you have to just close the lid of this Tukzer device, and now the device is ready. You're gonna ask me that how it is ready. Tukzer device has not any setup function. If I want to tell you that, you have to just insert the SIM card, insert the battery, and voila, your internet will start working. But you have to just go to the your mobile or laptop or computer, wherever you want to connect with Wi-Fi this Tukzer dongle. Then you have to choose that dongle Wi-Fi from there, and you will find 4G, VoLTE or anything like this, and you have to choose that Wi-Fi. And after that, insert the password 12345678. In your scenario, maybe anything else in this check out in this sticker, and voila, you have just connected to internet and you can enjoy the internet. That is the process of first time setup or first time use this Tukzer Wi-Fi mobile hotspot, mobile SIM hotspot dongle. पता नहीं कितना बड़ा, how much long is this name? Just my Hindi is slipped from my tongue. And hope you understand that how you can set up this Tukzer dongle. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.